Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to access bullx without having to be in the wait list. Now if you're familiar with bullx, you know at any point in time there are more than 300,000 people on the wait list. Now the normal channel to access bullx is to connect via Telegram. If I try to connect, it takes me to the wait list. But there is a way to do that, and it's simply by using the invite link on the description. So when you click on this link, it's going to take you to this page. I'll just go to site, and you see you can start bot exactly from here. You can now see from here that I'm logged in to this particular server. And in a nutshell, that is how to use bullx bot, the bullx trading platform, without having to wait in the wait list. So please subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Peace.